If you want to see how I got this makeup look, stay tuned. So this is just gonna use the gel to lay down the base, okay? Yeah, starting with the gel. I'm using an edge gel from olive oil. Yeah. And then step 2, I'm gonna go in with the powder. Now this powder, I bought it from Scarlet, Mr. Price. So I'm just going to put the powder like that. Gently. Gently. I am going to charge right now. And I need to be fast. I have 15 minutes to get ready, to finish my makeup and do my hair. At least I have already installed my hair just to straighten it a bit because I was sleeping. Okay, so it's a Sunday morning. What next? Okay, so you're gonna need an eyebrow pencil. I prefer using the brown one. You can get it anywhere. I use a brown one. Brown. You need to sharpen it. Oh my goodness, is this working? It has to work. Okay, you see? All right, let's go. Just gonna draw some strokes. Just gonna draw some strokes, okay? Make sure that it is sharp for you to get results like this. It needs to be sharp. Remember that. It needs to be sharp. So you see, I'm sharpening it again. It needs to be sharp. Really sharp. Trust the process. Trust the process, okay? Trust the process, my darling. Let's just go in front of here. There isn't nothing that a concealer can fix. So just trust the process. Okay, so we're going to be using concealer. So this is what I use. This I bought from Scarlet Hill, Mr. Price, a long time ago. I don't remember when. It's been such a long time. So I'm using this color. It's almost finished. But anyways, so what you're gonna do is conceal. I told you guys to trust the process. I need to remove the lightness of this concealer. Okay, thank you. So let's continue on the other eyebrow. I need to be fast. Why am I so slow? And you know, I woke up early. Jeez. Adelaide. Why? See, I'm being fast. Now I have 5 minutes now doing this. So this takes less than 5 minutes. Okay. You're just gonna know what you're doing. Alright, you're just gonna know what you're doing. I need to fill this a bit because this is a more whitish. Oh, the white is full. According to me, eyebrows are a bit time consuming compared to other things, other steps, because you need to be very careful and very vigilant when you do this. You can't be having the other eyebrow looking the other way. They need to be identical. So it takes a lot of concentration and time. Okay. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows. How they look. Don't worry, trust the process. Okay, now I'm going to use my primer. Always remember to prime your face before putting on any foundation on your skin, okay? It is very important that you do this step. And make sure that your face is moisturized, okay? Don't just put primer on a dry face. Whatever that you use as your skincare, put that before putting any primer, okay? This is the foundation I use. Maybelline. Come on. Maybelline 30 hour. Don't apply a lot of foundation. Remember, this is a quick makeup tutorial. Not too much. Just enough. Not too much. Just enough. Where's my beauty sponge? Guys, don't judge me. My beauty sponge is very dirty. Please don't judge me. And I won't judge you. Okay? Let's not judge each other here. It's a safe space. Just going to pat that on my skin. This is the second coat. I'm going to just pat it again. I'm just going to quickly remove this. Okay. Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Where is the lace? Darling. Well, nice results. I needed to remove this because I need to apply some foundation here. It's time for concealer. So I'm just gonna use the same. This is the first coat, okay? I call it the first coat. Yeah. I wonder if they still sell these things at Scarlet Hill, Mr. Price, because this works wonders. You can see I'm using it for a lot of things. Remember, we're not doing heavy makeup, we're just doing a everyday look. I use this concealer. It's Wet n Wild. Yeah. I have less than 10 minutes to be done with my makeup. Can you imagine? Oh my god. Oh my god. At least I know what I'm wearing. I need to eat breakfast. Oh my goodness. What a disaster. I should have woken up at 5. Right now it's 7:30 and I need to be leaving at 7:15. We're having a disaster. My eye is watery and I have 5 minutes to finish this. Okay, I had to leave my eye for a bit because it's just misbehaving. I'll fix it later. Okay, this is what we do contouring. These are my cheekbones, just like that. Yeah. Just drag it a bit from here. Formation. I'm gonna solve it. Okay, this is what we call baking. Baking. I have 2 minutes left when I make it, of course, and I have 5 minutes to wear my dress and do my hair, I guess. At least I'll just need to, oh my goodness, the things we do. I'm using these colors, these two colors, because I don't have time I'm just gonna do this just to make it more natural. Okay, let's do some blush, this and that. I am done. There's a lot. Just gonna do some blush. Too much pink. But anyways, I'm wearing a pink dress, so it makes sense. My eye is watery, guys. I'm left with 1 minute. You have watery eyes, this is what you use. I hope it works. Well, it always does. Okay, I am done. Do I even contour my nose? You see, it's fixed now. I'm okay, guys. Okay, guys, I am done. So this is how you get to do an everyday look that lasts up to 15 minutes, depending on how fast you can be. But 15 minutes, that's what it takes. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any video suggestions that you would like me to do, if you have any video suggestions for the next video regarding makeup, let me know. Bye.